Hey everyone, welcome to Technomics Hub. We're thrilled to have you here. This is where the exciting worlds of technology and finance collide. Imagine having the latest tech at your fingertips while making smart financial decisions. We're talking cutting-edge gadgets and smart money moves all in one place. From the newest smartphones to innovative financial tools, we've got you covered. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just starting your financial journey, this channel is for you. We cater to all levels of expertise, ensuring everyone can benefit. We break down complex topics into easy-to-understand insights. Our goal is to make technology and finance accessible to everyone. Get ready to level up your tech game and your wallet at the same time. We provide tips and tricks to help you stay ahead. We're passionate about exploring how technology is shaping the financial landscape. The future of finance is here, and it's driven by tech. From the latest fintech apps to investment opportunities and tech giants, we cover it all. Stay tuned for in-depth reviews and expert opinions, so buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride at the intersection of tech and finance. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Curious about the hottest new smartphone, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for an upgrade? We've got all the details you need. We've got you covered with in-depth tech reviews. Our experts break down the latest releases, so you know exactly what you're getting. Our team dives deep into the specs, features, and performance to give you the full picture. From battery life to camera quality, we leave no stone unturned. Want to compare the latest gadgets side by side? We make it easy to see which device stands out in the crowded market. We'll pit them against each other, highlighting the pros and cons to help you make informed decisions. Our comparisons are thorough and unbiased. Finding the perfect tech within your budget just got easier. We offer tips on where to find the best deals and how to get the most value for your money. New to the world of investing? No problem. Our guides are designed to help beginners navigate the complex world of finance. We provide beginner-friendly investment tips, focusing on tech stocks and building a solid portfolio. Learn how to make smart investments with confidence. We'll guide you every step of the way. From understanding market trends to choosing the right stocks, we're here to support you. And let's not forget about saving money. Our tips and tricks will help you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Discover clever money-saving hacks using tech solutions. From budgeting apps to cashback offers, we have it all. Think energy-efficient gadgets, finance apps, and tools to manage your personal finances like a pro. Join us on this journey to master the tech finance world. We're building a community here at Technomics Hub. Your voice matters. We encourage you to share your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments. Have a specific tech gadget you'd like us to review? Let us know. Curious about a particular investment strategy? Ask away. We believe in the power of learning from each other. Your engagement makes this channel even better. So jump into the conversation and let's explore the world of tech and finance together. Ready to unlock the future of tech and finance? Dive into the world where technology meets economics and discover how you can stay ahead in this rapidly evolving landscape. Hit that subscribe button and join the Technomics family. By subscribing, you ensure you never miss out on our latest content, designed to keep you informed and inspired. We release new videos daily, packed with valuable insights and exciting discoveries. From market trends to tech innovations, our content is tailored to help you navigate the complexities of the modern world. Don't miss out on the latest trends, tips, and opportunities. Stay informed with our in-depth analysis and expert opinions, all aimed at empowering you to make smarter decisions. Click the notification bell to stay updated and be the first to know when we drop a new video. This way you'll always be in the loop and ready to take action. Together, let's demystify the world of tech and finance. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about learning and growing in this exciting field. We're excited to have you on this journey with us. Your support and engagement mean the world to us, and we can't wait to explore new horizons together. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.